I learned this trick with a friend from Italy. Now, I only make pasta like this. In a large saucepan over medium heat, start by adding 1 liter of water, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, a drizzle of olive oil, and let it boil. When that happens, add 200 grams of elbow macaroni pasta, and let it cook for 7 minutes. This is the right point. Drain all the water and set the pasta aside. Once you've done that, cut 3 chicken breasts. Cut them into strips, then into cubes. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, the chicken cubes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and saute everything very well until the chicken is golden brown. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right point. Once you've done that, in a medium bowl, add 3 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of basil, and mix everything very well. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Then, in a large bowl, add the pasta we cooked earlier, the egg mixture, and mix very well. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Then add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and mix once again. Finally, add the chicken we prepared earlier and mix until incorporated. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over low heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Stir until melted. Add the pasta mixture, spread well, cover the skillet and let it fry for 8 minutes. After this time is passed, flip it using a plate. Add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, cover the skillet again, and let it fry for another 5 minutes. Finish by adding parsley to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.